One episode. That's it. I'm being responsible tonight. Okay, but that cliffhanger was illegal!
That video you just saw? It's behind every motivational stick figure video flooding your timeline. The hilarious skits, the workout tutorials, the over-the-top storytime drama. Completely different topics, yet born from precisely the same blueprint. Channels running this exact playbook are quietly stacking serious cash. Take a look, that guy dropped a single video and it's already exploded past 280,000 views. Then you've got Productive Peter, likely banking a cool $1,500 minimum every single month. And Easy Actually? They're estimated to be pulling in around $2,500 monthly. All from delightfully simple, no fluff Stickman animation. I'm about to walk you through every single stage that brought that clip to life, piece by piece. But before we dive in, just a quick moment, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're locked in for the next upload. Alright, let's create this thing from the ground up. It all begins with ChatGPT. You can absolutely use any other AI model you prefer, but for this walkthrough, we're staying inside ChatGPT. Now open up the Google Doc I've linked. Inside, you'll find the exact prompt I engineered for this entire video. I'll show you how to grab it completely free once we reach the end. When you've got it, copy everything. Don't skip a word. Even one missing section can throw off your entire final result. Paste the complete prompt into ChatGPT. Hit send. Now just watch what unfolds. ChatGPT spits out a full roster of video concepts. Roughly 10 ideas spanning comedy, motivation, health and fitness, drama, and beyond. Whatever Stickman flavor matches your niche, it's already sitting there waiting for you. Scroll through the list. Lock in your concept. For this particular video, I chose option 9. Type that number, press send. Next, ChatGPT asks how long you want the video. I'm going with 30 seconds here, but this thing scales effortlessly. You can stretch it to 30 minutes depending on what your content needs. Type your duration, hit send. And that's the moment it clicks. ChatGPT doesn't just toss you a vague idea. It builds you a complete production breakdown. What the video is truly about, image generation prompts for every single scene, animation prompts to bring those images to life, and a full voiceover script complete with tone direction, so the narration sounds smooth and human. It even drops a continuity prompt beneath each scene, making sure everything flows logically instead of feeling disjointed and random. Now grab that very first image generation prompt from ChatGPT. Bring it straight over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, flip the switch to image mode. Set your aspect ratio. I'm rolling with 9:16 for short form content, but if your format demands 16:9, that works perfectly too. Choose your model. I'm running Nano Banana Pro. Now here's the move that locks everything into place. Return to that Google Doc and locate the reference image I embedded alongside the prompt. If you've got your own reference image already, fantastic. That works just as well. Drag that reference directly into the timeline inside Google Flow, sitting right alongside your pasted prompt. Then, hit Generate. That reference image does the heavy lifting. It tells the model precisely which character style and visual universe you're building. Without it, the AI is just taking wild guesses. With it, your output lands exactly where you aimed. Your first image? Done. Now copy the second prompt from ChatGPT. Back inside Google Flow, paste it in. And this time, drag the image you just generated as your new reference point. That's how you weld visual consistency across every single scene. Same character appearance, same environment, same objects. Everything feels like one cohesive world, not a patchwork of random images. Moving forward, copy the third prompt, jump back into Google Flow, paste it, use any previously generated image as your anchor, generate again. Then repeat the exact same rhythm for the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth prompt, scene after scene, until your full visual sequence stands complete. But pause right there. Before we go any further, let's be real. Google Flow's video generation isn't truly free, no matter what the hype says. You're never getting endless generations without slamming into a restriction. However, if you've kept up with my earlier videos, you already know we tracked down a platform that delivers genuinely unlimited generations at zero cost, running on the exact same AI engine behind Flow. That platform is VOAI free. Let me lay out exactly how the process flows inside VOAI free. Step 1. Take that image you just pulled from Google Flow and upload it. Step 2. Grab the animation script sitting in ChatGPT and paste it directly beside your image. Set your aspect ratio, and I'm keeping things locked at 9:16. The moment your video wraps up processing, snag that download immediately. It renders surprisingly fast. As soon as it lands, download your first animated scene without hesitation. Moving to scene 2. Upload your next image into a clean VO AI-free workspace. Drop in its corresponding animation prompt straight from ChatGPT. Dial that ratio back to 9:16. Fire off the generation. Scene 3 rolls in. Same flow. Image goes up, prompt gets pasted, ratio locks in, generate, download. Then keep that pulse going for 4, 5, and 6. After all 6 scenes are downloaded, organize them into a folder. Open CapCut. Pull in all 6 of those animated clips you just saved. Lay them down on your timeline in the precise sequence they were born. Scene 1 through 6. No shuffling, no gaps. Play the full run from start to finish. Watch closely. Trim away any dead space. If something looks warped, glitchy, or just plain off, crop it. Now, let's layer in your soundtrack. If you've already got a track sitting on your hard drive, bring it straight in. If your music folder's looking empty, no stress. Grab a royalty-free track right from CapCut's built-in library or YouTube's audio collection. Drag that track underneath your visuals on the timeline. Trim the tail end so it finishes clean, then dial that volume down low. You want it cradling the voiceover, not wrestling with it. Space, and that's the moment. Hit export. Your video is finished. Now before we watch the final result together, real quick, the exact prompt I used to power this entire production, the complete Google Doc, is totally free. Just drop the word prompt in the comments, and I'll send the full document directly to you. Everything you need to rebuild this system from scratch, start to finish, at absolutely zero cost. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free content just like this. Alright, now let's check out what we just built.
1 episode. That's it. I'm being responsible tonight. Okay, but that cliffhanger was illegal! Well, technically I didn't choose it. I can still function.